Hello students, good morning. Myself Shashi Rai from Green Valley English School. In class 11th Political Science, we are reading the chapter Judiciary. We have read and understood the whole chapter, but today we are going to see the conclusion of the chapter. That is, in this chapter we have studied the role of judiciary in our democratic structure. Right now the democratic structure we are having in our country, we have studied the role and importance as well as the functions of the judiciary. In spite of the tensions that arose from time to time between the judiciary and the executive and the legislature, the prestige of judiciary has increased considerably. That means हमेशा से आपने देखा होगा there is some kind of tension, conflict or tussle between the judiciary with executive, judiciary with legislature, but still we have seen that the prestige of the judiciary has increased in time. आपने अब तक देखा होगा कैसे हमारे यहाँ जो जुडिशरी की जो प्रेस्टीज है, जो उसकी सम्मान है, जो ऑनर है, वो डे बाय डे बढ़ा ही है, घटा नहीं. एट द सेम टाइम देयर आर मेनी मोर एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम द जुडिशरी. Ordinary citizens also wonder how it is possible for many people to get easy acquittals and how witness changes their testimonies to suit the wealthy and the mighty. That means ऑर्डिनरी सिटीजन्स हमेशा ये वंडर करते हैं कि हाउ इट इज़ पॉसिबल फॉर मेनी पीपल, बहुत आसान हो जाता है टू गेट एक्विटल्स, जमानत मिल जाती है, बरी हो जाते हैं. एंड हाउ विटनेस चेंज देयर टेस्टिमोनीज टू सूट द वेल्दी एंड माइटी. और कैसे जितने भी अपने बयान होते हैं, जितने भी उन लोगों के विटनेस जितने भी होते हैं, अपने जो भी बयान होते हैं, वो सारे अपने बयान टेस्टिमोनीज जो है वो चेंज कर देते हैं वेल्दी और माइटी लोगों के सामने. There are some issues about which our judiciary is concerned too. और कुछ ऐसे भी कंसर्न हैं, कुछ ऐसे भी इशूज हैं जिसके बारे में हमारी जो जुडिशरी है वो भी कंसर्न है, वो भी उसके बारे में सोच रही है. You have seen in this chapter that judiciary in India is a very powerful institution. You have already seen that judiciary in India is a very much powerful institution. This power has generated much awe and many hopes from it. और यही पावर जो है, जो पावर मिली है जुडिशरी के पास, उसी की वजह से बहुत से लोग होपफुल हैं फॉरवर्ड जुडिशरी, क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली द गोल ऑफ जुडिशरी इज टू प्रोवाइड जस्टिस. इफ पीपल विल बी डिक्लाइन जस्टिस, इट इज़ नो मैटर दैट वी आर लिविंग इन अ डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री और any monarchical country, whatever country, but ultimate the aim of the people from the judiciary, the institute like judiciary, to get justice. India is also known for its independence. Through various decisions, the judiciary has given new interpretation to the constitution and protected the rights of citizens. आपने जब भी देखा होगा बहुत से ऐसे डिसीजन आए हैं, जैसे केशवानंद भारती केस, गोलकनाथ केस, दे आर वेरियस केस. उन केसेस में जो डिसीजन आया है और उसमें जुडिशरी ने जैसे इंटरप्रेट किया है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को, ये एक नया बेंचमार्क है. इट इज़ अ न्यू बेंचमार्क, अ न्यू माइलस्टोन फॉर होल जुडिशियल प्रोसेस एज वेल एज द इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. Also, the main goal of the judiciary is to protect the rights of the citizens. ये हमेशा कोर एंड सेंटर में रहता है जुडिशरी का, that it will protect the rights of the citizens. As we saw in this chapter, democracy hinges on the delicate balance of power between the judiciary and the parliament. And both institutions have to function within the limitations set by constitution. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई भी whether it is parliament or the judiciary कोई अपने अनुसार कोई काम करेगा. Each one have to work, each one have to function according to the limitations set by whom? Set by the our constitution. यही rule of law prevail करता है. It also separates the powers. It also divide the organs of the government. Each one have their own function and they have to work and they have to perform in the sphere of, जो sphere decide किया गया constitution द्वारा, they have to perform in that sphere. So students, that was the conclusion of this particular chapter. Now there are some exercises and there are some questions which we have to deal. The question number 1, 2 and 3 is your homework right now. Watch this video and try to do is this question number 1, 2 and 3 today and send me on this WhatsApp group so that we can see your people are able to understand the whole topic or not. So that's all students, that's all for today. Thank you so much.